How to activate TD credit card online. Now, this is actually easy and fast. All you have to do if you don't have an account online is you'll have to register one first. Now, this method that we're doing right now will actually work on by using your mobile application through Play Store or iOS Store. Now from here, if you don't have an account yet online, just simply create one to click on login and then go to the TD.com's official website. And you can also use any preferred web browser depending on what you wanted to use. Now, right now, I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this tutorial. So I'm already on the TD.com official website. And once you're here, you'll just have to log in. Click on the login page right here. Now, for you to activate your credit card, once you logged in, you'll just have to go to Accounts Details page on the upper right hand of your screen once you have successfully logged in. Now from there, you'll be able to see activate credit card, or there will be a highlighted link that says activate credit card. So once you have visible of that option right there, all you have to do is just click on that specific link, and then you just have to follow through the process for you to be able to successfully activate your credit card, and you should be good. But if you're having an issues or problem activating your credit card online, then you can go ahead and dial the 1-800 number, and there will be an active live support agent that will help you out activate your credit card. So those are the things that you can do on activating your TD credit card online.